Hey, I'm Kate. I work here at Native Campervans as the marketing specialist, and today we're going to show you some easy breakfast recipes that you can make while you're on the road. Before you head out on your trip, always make sure to check our shelves. People leave things in the van and then we put them on these free shelves for you to take. So we're going to see what we have that'll work great for pancakes. I like mine just full of everything, so definitely going to take some of this off-brand Nutella, maple syrup, easy enough. Ooh, and we got some cinnamon, canola oil. Since we're making breakfast, coffee is a must. All right, so we just pulled up to the grocery store. We're gonna get a few more ingredients for our pancakes, and then we're gonna get cooking. So let's get it. And when picking out your pancake mix, there's clearly a bunch of different options. Do you have a preference in pancakes? To the cameraman, that is a mystery to the world. I'm gonna do organic buttermilk. And yep, making sure that it's just water you need. All right, let's do it. And also, don't be lame like me and bring your reusable bags if you have them. Okay, let's cook. Sweet, so we have all of our ingredients. We have a beautiful stove directly in the van, and our vans are equipped with everything you'll need for cooking. The great thing about pancakes is they're completely customizable. You can add whatever you want, take away whatever you want. All right, once you got all of your stuff ready to go, you want to make sure you have your stove set up. So you'll screw on the propane, and for more information on that, you can watch our onboarding videos on our website. Solid size. Can I flip a pancake?
Oh.
Yes. Look at that.
Give me a yes.
Perfection. All right, now let's dress them up a little bit. Look at that. Quick, easy. And delicious.